Welcome back to my tiny mighty kitchen. I'm gonna be preparing soup, and I'm gonna show you what I'm preparing and how I'm preparing it. Let's get into it. Some of the ingredients I have moringa in bowl, beans and veggie, garlic, onion, coconut oil, instant noodle, which is no longer in Mexico anymore, and eggs. So I'm gonna heat the pan so the pot is hot. We're gonna go in with our coconut oil. We are gonna go in the coconut oil, and this is just to open the aroma for the garlic and the onion. I love garlic. We have five cloves of crushed garlic here. So this is the base for our soup that we're gonna make. Moringa noodle soup. And you might be wondering why I'm using moringa. Moringa has a lot of nutritional properties. It's good for arthritis and hypertension and stuff like that. But in addition to that, it has a lot of nutrients: iron, potassium, magnesium, and so those are the main reasons why I'm adding this to the soup. And I'm gonna go break this up a bit. Of course, it's gonna cook down because we're gonna add liquid to it. We're gonna add a little bit of water. 2.5 cups of water to this pot. Bring it flame down to medium flame. And then we're gonna cover the pot, and we're gonna add salt and black pepper and moringa at the end. So while this is cooking for about let's say 10 minutes, I am going to clean the kitchen. I finished cleaning up the kitchen a bit, and now we are going to check the kitchen finger. Do not do this at home. So we are almost finished. We're gonna add the vam to the pot. So in this I have black pepper, paprika, salt, and moringa. So you can use moringa seed, you can use moringa leaf, you can eat it, it's edible as well, to get all the nutritional value from it. Here they have the leaves, and I hope it's just the leaf because the stalk of the moringa can be poisonous if you have too much of it. And this also is good for the liver. It helps prevent cancer and all of that. But the leaves are what has more value. No matter how much of it you eat, it has more value than the stalk or the branch. Tasty, tasty, tasty. I'm tempted to put more moringa powder in this, but I'm not gonna overdo it, they say. So we are done, pretty much finished here. I'm gonna turn the stove off. This egg I'm gonna serve with this, but we're gonna let this go because we want to have hard boiled egg. That's what we want to achieve. So when I'm finished, I'm gonna turn off the stove and then serve when we're gonna have lunch, dinner. Ooh, we are ready to serve this up for our lunch, dinner, lunch, dinner, lunch, dinner, lunch, dinner. So I let this cook here for 10 minutes and then add the salt, paprika, all the herbs and spices, and then letting it sit. The liquid is absorbed by the noodle, the instant noodle. So here we have our instant noodle, instant moringa noodle soup. Early lunch, dinner and siesta. Now I'm going for a walk with my little ticket in. She's following you.
And I was like, that looks like the two things I was going for.
Provecho.
Provecho.
The roasted potatoes.
I'm on Mexico, that's what I was saying.
Oh, I just finished having tea with a friend. Now I'm heading back home in the rain, in the rain. Drops. Ooh. It was a lovely evening. No one is out walking. So it's nice to breathe some fresh air. Let's see what the night is like walking. Can you please stop the rain from falling? It's a very peaceful evening. It was a lovely day, a wonderful afternoon catching up with old buddy, and I want to be here saying positive, think on possibilities.